Hello friends, today discussing about Motival tablets. Motival tablet formula is a fluphenazine HCI and a noti nortriptyline HCI. Motival tablet dosage 1 tablet 3 times a day are prescribed by the doctor. Each sugar coated tablet contains fluphenazine hydrochloride USP 0.5 mg. Notri, notri, nortriptyline base used as hydrochloride USP 10.0 mg. Store at controlled room temperature 5 to 30 centigrade. Avoid excess heat, protect from light. See insert for detailed information. Keep all medicine out of reach of children. Motival tablet description. Motival fluphenazine HCI nortriptyline HCI is a combination of product contents nortriptyline HCI in tricycle anti-depressant and flavonoids HCI inflammatory flavonoids nitrate. Each tablet contains 10 mg Notroplan hydroline and 0.0 mg fluorine hydrochloride. Indications. Motival is indicated for the short-term treatment of patients suffering from moderate to severe symptoms of mixed NCLE and description. Dosage and administration. Motival is administered orally. Antidepressant effect may not occur for two or more weeks after the initiation of motival therapy. Increasing the dose will not shorten this period but rather increase the incidence of adverse actions. Adult. The usual adult dose of Motival is 0.5 to 10 mg tablet 3 times daily as in alternative regimen. Elderly. When administering Motival dose, attention should be paid to potential alcohol carrying neurological or cardiovascular complications to which the elderly are especially vulnerable. In general, lower doses should be given to elderly patients than to younger adults. Response should be monitored. Necessary dosage should be gradually increased. Children. Motival is contraindicated in patients under 18 years old. Contraindications. Motival is patients with a history of hypersensitivity Motival, any of expansion and other during the acute recovery period after molecular warning. Cardiovascular disease. Patient with cardiovascular disease should be closely supervised because Motival may prolong conduction time and produce tachycardia, myoclonus, infarction, and yeah.